Now, I'll be showing you how to create a temporary shared album on your iPhone. Now, this is a brand new feature in iOS 27 and later versions. Now, before, we used to have shared albums. But now, if you go to your Photos app and then go to Albums, and when you're creating an album, let's create new shared album like that. Now you will see the option for temporary album. So you want to turn that on. It's going to be on by default, but of course you can turn it off. Okay, so just like that. Now, of course, you need to have iCloud photos enabled to be able to use this feature, and you can turn it on and off from here. Now, when it's on like this album will expire after 30 days. So let's say you're coming from a trip and you want to share photos with a couple of people. You can create a shared album, share the album with them, and then they can download the photos at their own will. After 30 days, that shared album expires. So that is how to create a temporary shared album in iOS 27. Thanks for watching. Good luck.